Welcome to the Learning Resource Center. If you're looking for subscribed databases, go to the following webpage: library.umt.edu.pk. Now click the Learning Resources tab and then click eDatabases at the left of the page. Here is the complete list of the databases subscribed by UMT. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search in Wiley Online Library. Wiley Online Library hosts over 1,400 journals, including all titles formerly offered on Blackwell Synergy. It provides combined full-text access from Wiley InterScience and Bulkwell journals. When you open Wiley Online Library through UMT Network, you need not any institutional login. This is mentioned that access is provided through Higher Education Commission. Now click the search bar and write down your search query for a simple search and then press enter, and then select the journals option. You can check the number of results. Now have a look on advanced search. You will find multiple searching options. Now select the title option and put the same query in search bar. If you want to specify publication time period, write down the both ends of time period and get more refined results.
To find more specific results, apply some commands in the advanced search like quotation marks, apply inverted commas in the start and end of the search query, and also select item title.
Now click your required title to open it. And then click the PDF icon to download the full text document.
Full text document will be opened in the browser. Now click the download icon and save the document in your device. Thank you.